In today's video, I will be showing you how to get this beautiful traction alopecia friendly crochet hairstyle. The product that I'm using is the Bobbi Boss Xtra Boho Fine Twist Plus Wave in 14-inch, and the color is FS Latte. And look at how pretty this crochet is. I just love it. I can't wait to see how this turns out. This is my braid down. I just did my hair in some cornrows, so forgive me if the parts are crooked. It's not gonna matter. And then I sewed the back down with some needle and thread so my hair won't poke out in the back. So crochet is pretty easy, guys. It comes with the little pre-loops already ready to go. So what I like about crochet, it is traction alopecia friendly over braids, and I love doing my own crochet because I get to control the tension that goes on my hair. So all you have to do is simply take the crochet needle, push it up under your braid, then take the looped hair, stick it in the needle, close the lock, pull it through, and then go all the way up to the top and lock and pull the hair through with your fingers so that it doesn't tangle up. So this one's a little bit tricky because it has the extra hair that's kind of curled around the crochet hair, but I love the trio of these crochet locks. Now, I did see someone at a restaurant and she was wearing this hair, one of the waitresses, and I was like, girl, where did you get that hair? And she told me, and I immediately went out and purchased the hair. Now this does come even longer, but this is plenty long for me. And one of the things about crochet, guys, is that it is definitely lightweight and there is no tension on the hair, and it's super safe. Now I can't say when other people are doing your hair, but when I do my hair, it's safe. And I also don't keep my crochet in very long. I love to treat my hair and make sure that I'm taking the best care of it as possible. Now you can see my edges are definitely balding and thinning, but that's okay. That doesn't stop anything. Traction alopecia will not stop the show, honey. Go ahead and do your hair. Just be safe about everything that you're doing and don't cause any further damage to your edges. So basically this is it, guys. I skip around a lot. Maybe I lack a little bit of patience. I don't really have a pattern when I'm crocheting. I'll start from the back. And because I only had 4 packs of hair, I kind of like spread it out a little bit just in case I run out of hair. I will know how many packs I need to go and buy to fill in. So that's why I kind of jump around a little bit. But the first 2 packs of hair did the back. So I am just dealing with the last 2 packs of hair and filling in the front, and 4 packs was plenty. I believe I did use all of the hair. So I was hoping that I would only have been able to use 2 packs. I really don't like a lot of hair in my head. It just hurts. I have a sensitive scalp and I suffer from migraines. So I really don't like a whole lot of hair. But yeah, guys, this is how you crochet. This hairstyle cost me around 50 bucks. And what I like about this hair is that it doesn't tangle up. It's kind of like, I don't know, it's solid. Like I don't foresee it getting really tangled. I will sleep with my satin bonnet at night, and I think I'll be able to get at least a good week out of it before I get tired. You know how it is. We love to switch our hair up, but I've been working out lately, trying to get to my weight loss goal. And I don't have time for the wigs to be sliding off in this hot Florida sun. So yeah, crochet is going to be my best bet because I have such a busy month. Now behind me is my book, Hidden Beauty Transforming Through Traction Alopecia. I don't even know my own book. It's my self-help book. In the book, it has some great tips, hair products, tutorials, and it's not just about hair loss or traction alopecia. It's about healing. It has a lot of great things in there, guys. Positive affirmations to help you heal and gain your confidence and so much more. So go ahead and support your girl and check out the link below and grab your copy of The Hidden Beauty. Thank you so much in advance for your support. And guys, I cannot wait for you guys to see the final look. Let me know in the comments, have you tried this hair? And if you like the look, and go ahead and enjoy the rest of the video. We'll chat a little bit more soon. Alright, so you guys know I have those balding and thinning edges, and I really don't feel it necessary to put any like extra hair or anything on my edges. So I just go ahead and take a little bit of gel and swoop those edges down. So what if the wind blows back? You're just going to see some thin edges. Now you can always go ahead and add some edge control or some root cover-up spray or something like that if you're feeling a little insecure. But since I'll be primarily wearing it down like this, then I feel a lot safer. But this turned out so cute. I am in love with this hair, and I definitely want to try it in black. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think. I played around with it a little bit and swooped it over to the side, and I like it like that as well. And then I also tried playing around and putting it up in a ponytail, and that gave me some extra pizzazz and a little bit of a fun look. So I look forward to playing around with this crochet and having fun with it while I have it. So guys, thank you so much. This is the final look, and I absolutely love it, and I will definitely repurchase this hair again. So thank you so much for watching this video. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.